The oxygen concentrator is designed to produce and extract oxygen, which adopting air separation technology. Firstly, the air is compressed with a high density, and then using different condensation points of each component in the air so that the air is separated by gas and liquid at a certain temperature. Finally, it would be further rectified to get oxygen. An oxygen concentrator is a type of medical device used for delivering oxygen to individuals with breathing-related disorders. Individuals whose oxygen concentration in their blood is lower than normal often require an oxygen concentrator to replace that oxygen.